Hey everybody, this is Jessica from ArtistryinCards, part of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you are brand new. We'd love to have you back. We are working on growing this channel as we've made some adjustments to the content that I provide. I do a lot of travel videos as well, and so we thought it would be best to divide out the art and drawing and card making into one channel and all the travel into another. So today I decided to freehand a card. I do this a lot when I draw. A lot of times when you see the rubber stamps that I offer at JessicaLynnOriginal.com, I do draw them just on a sheet of paper, and I use the G2 black pen. It is my favorite. I am a old school artist. I still do love to do digital as well, but drawing with a black ink pen is just, for me, it's very freeing and creative, and I really love that sort of method of art. So I'm gonna go ahead and just freehand a fun thank you card, throwing in some banners, tossing in some leaves and some designs, and I thought it'd be really fun just to I sped it up a little bit, but I thought it'd be really fun to just go ahead and share my process with you so you can see that. And the thing I want to share is that I do draw all of the art that you see on my website. I do make custom rubber stamps. So here in this YouTube video, there are links that'll actually take you back to my store if you are interested in taking a look at what I have to offer. I do a lot of custom stamps for like weddings and new home, like gifts, stuff like that, new babies. And I love doing that. And I can draw pretty much whatever you're looking for. Obviously, it can't be copyrighted information or art, but I would love to work with you. I also do commissions. So if you're looking for a piece of art, I would just need to know what you're looking for, and I would love to draw that for you. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'm also going to be coloring it in using a variety of Copic markers and other markers that I have in my collection. And I hope that you enjoy this. And again, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to see you here again soon. And I do want to tell you about something brand new. So as I'm coloring, I just wanted to let you know I do have a brand new Patreon page. I'm so excited about this. The Patreon page is going to be really fun. It's going to be a really fun just art community that I am going to go ahead and be sharing free digital images. So it costs different amounts depending on what you are looking to get out of the group. There is one level where you always get the digital images. So the plan is to offer quite a few of them a month. And then depending on your status in there, you'll be able to actually go in and vote and choose. And then we're going to have competitions and all kinds of fun stuff. So my goal is to really build a fun community where I can draw art for you, and you'll be able to create cards or whatever type of crafts that you want and be able to share those. So I'm going to pop up the QR code right now for the Patreon if you're interested in that. I also have it linked down below in the video text, so you can go and subscribe. And the cool part about that is it's based on month to month. So if you decide you want to come and join for a little while and then you get a bunch of art, and maybe you get really busy and you're not crafting as much. You could put the subscription on pause and then return at a later date. Or you can go ahead and continue to support me, and then you'll still have access to all of those digital images. And the images themselves are for you to create with. They're not to be put up on a website or turned into stamps or shared. They're truly meant to be part of our fun community. So I hope that you are interested in that. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. I tried to do something like that here on YouTube and it just didn't work. And so I got the suggestion from someone to maybe start it up as a Patreon. So that is what I did. So I hope that you enjoy this. This is so much fun for me. I love just freehanding, you know, creating something. And I love that that banner looks really three-dimensional because I added so much shadowing. So cute. Well, I do want to take just a quick moment and say thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you back here on our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe, and then be sure to go check out our Patreon, and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care, everybody.